Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. That is filthy. That better?
Well,
That's better.
I look like I've got red hair.
It's
the
the light hitting it. It does actually. It looks dark when I look there. Yeah, it's black, so I don't know why you've got a red tinge to it. Anyway, we are at Hemsley's Conservation Centre. We've been here a few times before. I haven't been here for about 5 years, and I did a video then, so I will link it down below so you can see the difference of how it's changed. We came here when it very first opened as well, didn't we? And it was tiny, just like little sheds, and that was it. And they've got bigger and better as the years have gone on. It is a conservation centre, so they do their best to help with conservation. It's just me and Lucy here today, and there's probably some other people in there as well, but I meant as in no Chloe. But you've been here more recently, haven't you? So but it might have changed a bit since then as well.
Probably.
When did you last come? This year? Last year? Okay, last year. So we're going to head in and we'll take you with us.
I won't be able to.
Oh.
I'm scared it'll just be us there.
So we are, yeah, this is well different because we're coming a completely different entrance to the last time I came in, but it's very quiet, no one here, which is just the way we like it. Obviously not as good for them, but yeah. So what have we got here? Oh, toucan.
I heard it shuffling in there. Just want to jump out.
You heard some people. He's like, hey. Just seen a rat run in here, so I'm a bit scared now. I don't know where it went. So I'm just filming Lucy in case it makes her jump. So you just say run off? Oh, okay. It's gone down there.
I just heard it rustling. And just
Oh no. The thing is, these are really small paths and there's
and
nowhere
these-
to
and these are
hide.
really big rats. Oh, look at them.
What have they got? A little bit of fruit.
It's like pepper. These are my favourite monkeys.
Oh, what kind of monkey are they?
Yeah, because the monkeys were in here. Me and Dad were watching them and they were sitting on here. So I guess they've moved them there.
Oh, it's going to make a little
Oh,
nest.
there's a little one. There's a little armadillo there, one.
Armadillo and some, what are they?
A monkey.
Marmoset. Black-tailed marmoset.
They're quite creepy. Oh, look at the armadillo move. Yeah.
This is like nocturnal.
I'm scared.
Yeah, no, I'm going in slowly. We've had so much thing of when
Fright
we go
night.
to Fright night. Please don't let there be a rat in here. Do we go in here?
No. Oh, I don't know. No, I don't think so.
You used to go in there for us. Oh, I can see in there a bit.
There's like the slow loris and stuff.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I see. That's slow loris.
I can see it just there. I don't know if you'll
Yeah,
be
I
able
can see
to
it from here. I don't know.
film it. I don't know if you'll see it.
Oh, it's really bad. It's there.
Yeah.
That's the slow loris.
Oh.
Can you see it?
I can't see. Oh, I can hear things moving. Why
Oh,
does
you can
it
see the branches moving. What is that?
I don't know.
Mum, what is that?
I don't know. Why are we
Is
so
it
scared?
right at
We've just had Halloween, you see, so we think things are going to jump out on us.
Wait,
Hang on, let me turn it round. No,
That's the porcupine.
it's a little
thing.
porcupine thing.
No, I love them. They were really
I
cute.
don't know if it is a porcupine, but
Yeah, it is. No. Grey leg do something.
okay.
Oh, no, that's not it. No, that is the porcupine.
Oh, look at him.
He's so cute.
Oh. Oh, don't fall, mate. Is he sure it's a porcupine? I didn't think they could climb.
Well, they had them before, didn't they? In that inside bit. They're a bit big,
okay.
a bit bigger. That's what that is. That's the do something.
Where's
No,
it
it's
gone?
definitely.
Hello. Hi. Where's it gone?
Jesus Christ.
We heard it donk, and it just scared the life out of us.
He's
Oh
doing
God,
laps.
every little movement now, the noise is making me jump. Oh, see, this is what Fright Night does to you. Ah. We'll have a little look around. Here the toucans having a little chat. Oh, just flew off.
Oh, did you see the way he just like dive?
Yeah, it goes up and then down.
See, I told you, they're like scary.
So pretty, aren't they? They're quite small ones, these ones, though.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a species.
There's a big one there, look, that's a big one.
There's some big ones, and then there's this little baby just running across there.
Look at that one.
2 little babies in there.
Oh.
Aww. They're so cute.
Oh, can we get
Little baby
Can we get one?
Look this way.
They're speaking. Oh.
That's what them monkeys are. And you can just see them over
Monkey.
there. That's where we were just walking under.
Do it like that.
I was just going to film him on the swing, but he's decided he didn't want to swing anymore. Oh. Hey, come back!
Jesus Christ. Oh, look!
Oh, hello!
You see him roll over?
Yeah. Here comes a little baby one, look. Oh, look.
Yeah, that was tiny.
It's small.
Oh, he's got the leaf.
Oh, it's good.
You can't eat that. Oh.
Oh, this. Oh. This is what Lucy's been excited to see.
They had babies in it, so it wasn't out.
How big are they? Quite.
I don't know.
I don't know if they're bigger than.
I think they're just a cat, aren't they? But I
What,
don't
about
think
the same size as a domestic cat?
I think they're like smaller to the ground.
Smaller to the
They're like
ground.
long. I don't know. Oh, that's it there.
So this bit back here, none of this was here before. I've not been back in this bit, so I'm not sure. Oh, tapirs in there. Yeah, I've not been back to this bit. So this is all new. It used to just be the bit at the front. So let's see what's up here. I think there's some tapirs. I think they've got like some maned wolves or
Yeah, that's
something.
up the top. These is tapirs and capybaras, but I don't know.
Oh. Yeah, the rusty spotty cat was here before, but not up here. It was down where them squirrel monkeys were, I think. And this had a baby, I think, didn't it?
Yeah, I
Or
can't
am
see
I
it.
imagining it?
I've never seen.
This is the binturongs, which we've seen at quite a few different places. We very rarely see them move. They tend to just lay in a tree somewhere, but we can't even see this one, so I think it might be inside. We did look at the tree, but can't see it. We did see one move at Crocodile World or something. That one moved about a metre, but that's as far as I've ever seen one move. Everywhere else they just lay still, really. I suppose they move for their food and that's about it. She's off. Look at this cool caravan. I don't know if this was part of the zoo or if this is something else. How cool is that? This is where the main wolves are. Oh yeah, I can smell them now.
It smells like weed. That's what they say.
Oh, where are they? Oh, you can't see them, can you? Oh, just in this one bit here. Let's have a look. We might have to come back when they do the talk, because then they might come out. But nothing's moving about at the moment. Sometimes when it's a bit cold as well, they don't tend to do a lot and they just stay indoors. So yeah, if we come back when they do the talk, then hopefully we'll see them.
A lot bigger than Chessington ones.
Yeah, Lucy's just spotted the capybara sitting right over there. Right on the far side of the enclosure. Found the ocelot. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Bigger than what I
Got a
thought.
hunchback, look at it.
That's where it's laying. Yeah, it's bigger than a normal cat, like you said.
Yeah, that's bigger than I thought. I've never seen one before, I just guessed.
I think we have seen one somewhere. I just can't remember where.
Oh, look how big its paws are.
It's
Jesus
beautiful. Look at its markings. Oh, you just spotted the Jeffrey's cat through the... Oh. Focused on a leaf instead of the thing. There he is. He's just going. It must be nearly his feeding time. Oh, where's he gone?
Oh, he's doing a bigger lap this time.
Okay.
He's going to come
Bye.
back.
Faster. These armadillos, they're so funny when they run. Bless them.
We're just chilling, they're like...
Look at this one up there. Hey, mate.
The king of the bloody castle.
Oh yeah, look at them all in a little row.
The only part where the sun is.
Having a bit of sunshine there.
I don't think he's going to fall asleep.
Oh, I would if I was sitting in the sun. Just come back around again and found another wallaby. Yeah, they're monkeys. The monkeys are just in there, in that one there. You can hear them.
Did you hear it hold its breath?
We just found, we didn't realise there was otters in here. These are in with the binturongs.
I think it's got a stick on its head.
But I think they've just been fed and we missed it because we didn't realise that they were here.
I want to be an otter and just swim.
And eat fish all day.
Yeah. Oh, did you? Oh.
I don't know what she's got. She's got like either a rock or a nut or a conch or something. And she was just running along holding it and now she's just throwing it up in the air. Well, not quite throwing it, but you know, playing with it. She's just running along holding it in one arm. Where's she's gone? Are you going to come and get it?
She's got it there in her hand.
Bigger, isn't she? Don't know what it is.
I think it's a conker.
This wouldn't be food, would it? Because they'd be eating it.
Look, he's scratching his face on there. I think it is like a nut.
Oh, a berry or something.
No, that's a rock.
Is it a rock?
Look at her. She's so where'd he go?
What is the cat? What is it? That's the rusty spotted cat. It's tiny. It's not very good because I'm filming through the glass. But yeah. Oh, that's Lucy's hand.
Let's just see if I can like...
Oh, there you go. Oh, look at him. And these are the smallest wild cat in Asia. They grow 14 to 19 inches in length. But it's so cute. Oh, I just heard him coming up behind us. He's cute. Oh, itchy nose. Hello. Oh, and the capybara in the background. Capybara. Come to enjoy the sunshine. Just spotted the maned wolf on the other side of the enclosure. Two of them.
Their faces look a bit like cool.
So we've just come back to the car. We probably spent about 2 hours in there. It was very quiet. We probably only saw about
One person.
2 other families maybe, and they were doing keeper talks and stuff, which was quite informative, and quite not quite it was informative and quite good, because they were literally like just one-to-ones, just us. So we probably spent about 2 hours in there. It is only very small. We did a couple of loops, spent a while looking at each animal, and it's definitely worth going back round a few times, because sometimes you don't see, like we didn't see the rusty spotted, is it called rusty spotted cat? We didn't see that the first time round, but the second time we spotted 2 of them. So and because they were going around feeding them, the wolves came out, and the otters and the tapir, yeah, so which you'll see obviously, or you've seen. So yeah, it's definitely worth going around a couple of times. They have got a little like coffee shop there as well, but we'd already eaten lunch before we came, so we didn't go in there. And so now we are going to go and pick up Chloe from work. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.